Meet the Huawei Pura X, the latest foldable that's turning heads in 2025. It's compact, it's powerful, and it's easily one of the most stylish foldables I've seen this year. But is it worth importing to the US? Let's find out. When folded, it's a sleek little square with a 3.5-inch cover display, perfect for quick replies, selfies, and notifications. Flip it open and boom, you've got a 6.3-inch OLED screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 2500 nits brightness. The hinge feels premium, there's IPX8 water resistance, and overall, it's surprisingly light at under 200 grams. It's the kind of hardware that screams high-end innovation. Under the hood, it's running Huawei's Kirin 9020 chip, up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a 4720 milliamp battery with 66-watt fast charging and 40-watt wireless. It's fast, smooth, and easily keeps up with any flagship, even when multitasking or editing video. Cameras? You get a 50MP main sensor, a 40MP ultra-wide, and an 8-megapixel telephoto. And because of that cover screen, you can actually use the main cameras for selfies. It's great for creators, crisp detail, strong colors, and solid stabilization. Now the catch, it runs HarmonyOS Next, which means no Google Play Store in most regions. US users will have to rely on Huawei's app gallery or workarounds, and carrier support is limited since this isn't officially sold here. So here's the bottom line. The Huawei Pura X is a gorgeous, powerful foldable that's ahead of the curve in design, but for US users, software limitations might be a deal breaker. If you love tech innovation and don't mind tinkering, it's a gem. If you need full Google and carrier support, maybe hold off. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. Would you import the Pura X?